Welcome to Eric Blackmon Music.
I'm dreaming of a white Christmas, just like the ones I used to know. Hi, and welcome to Eric Blackmon Guitar. In this one I'm going to show you the chords to a Christmas classic, White Christmas. The guitar is tuned standard, E, A, D, G, B, E, and the key is C major. First, let's take a close-up look at the chords we'll need for this song. All of the chords for this song will be played in the first position of the guitar, which is the first 4 frets. The first chord is going to be a C. Just a basic C chord. We'll need a C major 7, and we'll get that by removing the first finger and playing the C chord. So we've got a C, and take that finger out, we've got C major 7. We'll need a C7. For that, we'll put that finger back on the B string at fret 1, and then we'll bring in the little finger at fret 3, and that's our C7. We'll need D minor, like this. We're playing the open D string. We have a finger on the G string fret 2, the B string fret 3, and the high E string fret 1, strumming from the D string. We'll need a conventional G, like that. We'll need F major 7. We've got a finger on the D string fret 3, the G string fret 2, and the B string fret 1, and the high E string is open, strumming from the D string. We'll need an F minor 6 chord, and we'll get that chord by borrowing the G, B, and high E string at fret 1 and playing from the D string. Now that we have the chords we need, let's get started. Here's how we'll play our song. We'll start with the C chord. I'm D minor, dream, back to C. So that was I'm dreaming, just like that, of a D minor, white G, Christmas, F major 7, just like the G1 I used to know, C major 7. Next, we'll do a breakdown of chords using the C chord, C major 7, and C7. And that's where the treetops glisten, F major 7, and children, F minor 6, listen to hear, C chord. And for sleigh bells, we'll do D minor, sleigh, and then back to bells, C. So that's to hear sleigh bells in the D minor snow, G. Next verse, I'm dreaming, that was C, D minor, C, of a white D minor Christmas, F major 7, with every G Christmas card I, C major 7, write. Now our chord breakdown again with the C. May your days be merry, F major 7, and bright, F minor 6. And may all, C, F major 7, your Christmas is G, B, white, C. And we can add the C major 7 by taking that finger out like this. And that ends our song. Alright, so let's play through the entire thing just one more time. I'm dreaming of a white Christmas, just like the ones I used to know, where the treetops glisten and children listen to hear sleigh bells in the snow. I'm dreaming of a white Christmas, with every Christmas card I write. May your days be merry and bright, and may all your Christmases be white. Well, all right, my friends, that's White Christmas on acoustic guitar with chords in the first position. Thanks for stopping by. Have a great day and have a great Christmas. May your days be merry and bright, and may all your Christmases be white.